When it comes to upgrading or building a home in Scott, the choice of door material plays a huge role in both style and longevity. A well-installed, high-quality door doesn't just enhance curb appeal, it also boosts security, energy efficiency, and the overall value of your property. But not all doors are created equal. The right material can mean the difference between years of reliable performance and frequent repairs. Below, we'll explore the top door materials that ensure long-lasting installation in Scott homes. Solid wood doors. Classic durability with timeless appeal. Solid wood doors remain a favorite among homeowners who want warmth, character, and durability. Popular options include oak, mahogany, maple, and cherry. These doors are naturally strong, resistant to wear, and can last for decades with proper maintenance. Benefits: exceptional insulation, timeless beauty, and customization options for finishes and designs. Considerations: they may require refinishing over time to protect against moisture and sun exposure, especially in Scott's changing weather. Wood doors are ideal for those who value elegance and don't mind occasional upkeep to preserve their natural beauty. Fiberglass doors. The perfect blend of strength and low-maintenance fiberglass doors are a top choice for Scott homeowners seeking long-lasting durability with minimal maintenance. They are designed to resist warping, cracking, and denting, common issues with traditional wood. Many fiberglass options mimic the look of natural wood grain, providing the same charm without the upkeep. Benefits: energy efficient, dent resistant, and highly weather resistant. Considerations: while more affordable than premium wood, high-end fiberglass doors can still come at a significant cost. For families who want strength, insulation, and an attractive look without constant care, fiberglass is an outstanding investment. Steel doors. Superior security and modern performance. If security and durability are top priorities, steel doors are hard to beat. They are incredibly strong, resistant to forced entry, and hold up well against Scott's variable weather conditions. Modern steel doors often include foam insulation, making them energy efficient as well as secure. Benefits: excellent protection, high energy efficiency, and cost effectiveness. Considerations: steel doors can dent if struck hard, and scratches should be treated quickly to avoid rust. Steel doors suit homeowners who want long-term performance, safety, and affordability rolled into one package. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and corrosion-resistant aluminum doors are less common for traditional entryways but are an excellent choice for sliding or patio doors. They are lightweight, strong, and naturally resistant to rust and corrosion. Aluminum doors often come with thermal breaks and insulation to improve energy efficiency. Benefits: low maintenance, rust resistance, and sleek, modern designs. Considerations: less common for main entry doors and may require professional installation for optimal performance. These are best for Scott homeowners who want sleek style and durability, particularly for secondary entrances or patio spaces. Glass doors. With reinforced frames, style meets practicality. Glass doors, especially those paired with fiberglass, aluminum, or steel frames, bring in natural light while offering lasting strength. Modern options come with tempered or laminated glass for safety and energy-efficient coatings to reduce heat transfer. Benefits: stylish, energy-conscious, and customizable. Considerations: privacy may be a concern, but frosted or textured glass options help address this. Glass doors are perfect for Scott families who want a bright, airy feel without sacrificing durability. Choosing the best fit for your Scott home. When deciding on the best material for your door, consider three key factors: climate. Scott's weather patterns, including seasonal humidity and temperature shifts, mean durability against warping and moisture is essential. Security needs. If safety is your top priority, steel or fiberglass doors are excellent choices. Aesthetic preference. For those who love a traditional or luxurious look, wood or wood-look fiberglass is ideal, while aluminum and glass bring modern flair. Final thoughts: your door is more than just an entrance, it's the first impression of your Scott home. Whether you choose the timeless appeal of wood, the strength of steel, or the low-maintenance durability of fiberglass, investing in the right material ensures long-lasting performance and peace of mind. With the right choice, you can enjoy both beauty and reliability for years to come.